Hey guys, what's up? My name is Aline. I'm here recording a video to talk to everybody about the GlucoTrust supplement. So there are many people taking GlucoTrust and there are many people talking about it, and I suggested that it would be great if I come here just to get the word out there about the whole truth about GlucoTrust, okay? So if you guys want to purchase GlucoTrust, watch this video until the end because I will tell you exactly where to get it from, the original one, all right? So GlucoTrust, the big question that most people has is what is GlucoTrust and what does it do? Guys, GlucoTrust is a dietary supplement that is here to help you balance out your glucose levels, okay? So your blood sugar levels, your glucose levels, and not only that, but it will give you a perfect night rest. And let me tell you something else. How cool is it? Because you're going to balance out your sugar levels and you're also going to lose weight. So all of that comes in GlucoTrust, okay? GlucoTrust has a unique blend of ingredients that was carefully picked out to create its formula. So while you're getting a good night's rest, you are also going to balance out your sugar levels, guys. And not only that, but GlucoTrust will also help you to inhibit your cravings for sweets or for food all the time. And that's how you're going to start to burn off calories. And it's as simple as that. Also, like I mentioned, GlucoTrust is completely natural, so you don't need to worry about taking it because its ingredients are all natural, so there are no side effects or contradictions, okay? Anybody can take GlucoTrust. But if you do want to see results, you just got to remember that this is a natural supplement. So in order to get results, you must take it every single day. I know that is hard, but you can do it, okay? Just remember to take it every single day, and within the first few weeks, you will start to see great results, guys. Now, that important info that I wanted to share with you is where to get GlucoTrust from. You must remember that there are many people selling GlucoTrust, but the only place to get the original GlucoTrust is on their official website. So I helped you guys out. I left the link to their official website just below this video in the description box. And after you finished hearing what I have to say, go to that official website, read people's feedbacks, see if you can relate to any stories, and read the full list of its natural ingredients. And you can even read so much more about the creation of GlucoTrust, okay? And guys, GlucoTrust also gives you a 60-day money-back guarantee. So if you want to try it, test it out to see if it's going to work for you, you can do that for 60 days. And if you simply don't want it anymore, you can contact the support team and they will help you get all your money back. So really, you have nothing to lose, right? Well guys, if you want to get a great night's sleep, lose weight, and also balance out your sugar levels, you should give GlucoTrust a chance, okay? Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. Have an awesome day. Bye.